Okay, hi, Maitree. Congratulations on the amazing book and also on, your journey as an author. It is a huge achievement in itself. I would like you to please introduce yourself.
My name is Maitree. I'm 11 years old and I'm thrilled to be here and I would like to share my journey with you.
All right. Okay, so the book that you have written, what is it called and what is the inspiration behind that book?
My book's name is The Mystery of the Missing Numbers and I got inspired by my father. I and my father really love studying maths, so I thought it would be interesting to make a book on maths.
All right. So before you were, introduced to the BriBooks platform, did you ever think of becoming an author?
I used to write small stories. I would really love to be an author, but I never got a platform to, write my book and publish it, so I could not
So
do.
is this the first book that you have written?
Yeah, it's
And
a small.
how was your experience? I mean, did you face any challenges while writing the book, and how did you overcome those?
Yeah. The challenges were, I thought a bit about the book and then I started, writing and improved it. But when I came near the end, I could not understand that how the mystery will, get solved and they will find the numbers. So that was a bit challenging for me, but I took a break and I thought about it and then I, wrote down.
So, all of the characters that there are in the book, you have thought of them, you had built the entire storyline, how the mystery unveils and everything. So, if, all of those characters were to come to life and would be around here with us, how would that be?
It would be wonderful. I would like to be friends with them, and I would also join this journey to find the missing numbers. It would be amazing if I would live in Numeria and meet the scientist Numero.
Yes. Okay. So, book writing is not just about, a great story. It is also about, how you present that story and, how you market it, you share it with friends and family and everything. So, now that you have become an author and you understand the entire book writing journey as an entrepreneur author, if there was one advice that you would want to give, budding authors or aspiring authors, what one advice would that be?
I would say that just start writing. It should not, even if it's not perfect, you can just keep writing. You can always change it after and make it, more better afterwards. So that's
All right. And as you said that, you and your father are very, very interested in maths and numbers. So therefore the idea came from, that place.
yeah.
But if you were to try some other genre, let's suppose, what other genre would you like to try?
I would like to try science fiction because it's very interesting. And I read a book, A Journey to the Center of the Earth by Jules Verne. So I just got inspired by that, and I thought like I could also write on science fiction.
Yes. So also if you were to select or think about one favorite part from your book, what will that be?
It would be when the mad detectives meet the scientist Numero, and he tells them to be his student and explore the world of maths and make experiments and new things with him. So I really love that part, and yeah, that's my favorite.
All right. And as we, speak about the art of creative writing, that is our topic of discussion. So how do you consider, book writing as creative writing an important skill set that, people should inculcate in their daily lives probably or should be able to, learn? How important do you
I
think writing is?
I think that creative writing is important because it helps to make new, inventions and new things. Because of creative writing and creative thinking, it is possible. So I think creative writing is very important in our daily lives, and we should do it.
All
And
right.
it helps to connect with others, and yeah.
Yes, yes. So also I believe, personally that, when we start to write, a lot of us are not very good at expressing, through words probably, while speaking or communicating. But writing something actually, we allow ourselves time enough to, think and articulate our thoughts better and probably pen it down, right? Did it kind of, in any way help you improve your, comprehensive skills or your vocabulary, or did it help you in any way?
Okay, I think I improved my comprehension skills because while writing there were many errors at the starting. I made one draft. I thought it was perfect, but then when I searched the errors, and then I got to know that it was not that perfect. So I think by writing so many drafts, and I made three drafts. So I think I improved my comprehension skills.
And did you do any kind of research on book writing, or, how one should start a book and what should go in the book and not? Or did you just maybe you must have read, some books and figured out how you do it?
Yeah, I read many books, but I also saw when we start BriBooks, there's a video. So I also saw that, and I also searched on YouTube. I tried to find how to write a good book, and I read many books to see how a renowned author and good famous author writes his books. So I got idea from there, and I started writing.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Maitri, for connecting with us.
Thank you. It was fun to meet you and talk to you.
Likewise, likewise. All right. Thank you
Thank-
so much. Bye bye.
Bye.